Got these solar panels here, and we made it to the zoo. Hey everybody, it's me, Lone Star Rocker Channel here at the Palm Beach Zoo. Used to be the Draguar Park Zoo. I haven't been here in like a decade or so. So we're gonna go in here and see if we can find a Florida panther or some otters would be great. Let's hang out. Bud, are you excited to go to the zoo? Somewhat? Yeah, you want to Florida panther, maybe we'll see one.
Okay.
There's the panther here. So what do they have?
Komodo Dragons.
Wow. I would be a little intimidated by that, I think, huh? First we'll go in the Florida wetlands. It's gonna be what?
Fun.
How high can you jump? Can you hit it? All right, so that's number 7.
No one can get number 10.
A panther can jump up to 20 feet. He's up there jumping. Uh-oh, we're gonna meet Marty. There's Marty there. There he is back there.
No, this was my school field trip.
Oh, you can see he goes up here and slithers around.
Where is he? Oh, the first, I went here in kindergarten.
This way to the panther.
Little turtle dens. Oh, there's 2 more over there.
They're so cute. They're so cute. Both birds.
You ever seen the videos of them
What's
pushing
the fastest
balls
turtle?
around? There's one down there.
Maybe he'll fly out.
Whoa! Looks like he's lost his wing. Sometimes they're injured and they can't turn back in the wild. I don't know if she's like both of them.
They're just sleeping away.
No otter poop.
More panthers are this way.
It's right there laying on the ground.
Oh. I see a panther leg.
I don't know if that's a Florida panther or the western clear.
Big cat back there. It must be Miko. Well, we saw a panther tail. We were kind of hiding in the bushes back there, but now we're going to go to the Tropics of the Americas and see what animals are in this exhibit.
How do you think alligators have eyelids? Because it's just big.
Oh, at this park?
Yeah. You're standing there and your hands, your fingers were just going, staring at it.
Capybara is right there. Hanging out with a lizard because
He won't look over at us. He's eating something. There he goes.
Boy, they're big. One you saw was much smaller than that.
Oh.
Yeah, they used to have them walking around loose back in the day.
I think that's the same bear from last time. No. Not really.
He just likes to wander around, I guess. What is this fantastic Aztec temple? Look at this.
I'm the highest in the house.
Who's your friend?
This guy.
I don't know you. Who are you?
Oh yeah, we didn't find it.
The Komodo Dragon.
Oh my God, look at the size of it. Head sticking out that side of the tree and its body.
Oh, I see. That is a big lizard. Last time I was here, it was the Draguar Park Zoo, and they didn't have any of this stuff. This is really amazing that they expanded and built all this. All of the cats are hiding from the heat. You can see some spots back there. This is Fiona the Jaguar. Sleeping.
He's going for a swim.
It's so cute! It's like a lamb.
I think it's a tapir. I'm not sure.
It's a lamb, right?
Going for a swim. Not a bad idea. It's been pretty hot.
Look how fuzzy he is. It's so cute. There's an iguana in here.
Does he look soft?
Iguana's like,
Yeah.
oh my god.
Wavy hair.
Get away.
Yes, there's a giant iguana.
There's a bird coming for you, Mom. Like, go with the
Isn't he pretty?
his weird goose with yellow lips.
We're in the cave. Newt.
How would that fit in the sewer?
Well, they don't.
Ah!
Tigers. All right, we can do this. Oh, I see the tiger. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, tigers, wow.
Walking back and forth right there, you get a good look.
Oh, yeah, cool. Oh, nice.
Oh, you're gonna look at the turtle or the?
Yeah, that's what he was.
Super cool. Thing will eat you. It's the Tiger King. Let's see if I can zoom in here.
Now there's a cat. You could ride that one. If he was cooperative.
He's like showing off.
Those cats will eat you.
He's showing off.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. I have heard them scream. They are horribly loud. Oh, there's a big tortoise.
He's so cute.
It's kind of hard to get the cats because they like to sleep a lot, especially if it's hot. So it's pretty cool if that tiger was pretty active today. Wow, you think that would bite onto you? Ouch!
It's a rhinoceros hornbill.
Cool. Look at that. Look at that, Brady. Hi, Birthday. Laughing kookaburra.
Some kind of kingfisher.
Oh,
Oh, no, it's a kookaburra.
It's a kookaburra.
There's a koala in there, I promise. The cat whisperer. Oh, here we go. I guess. Is it dinner time? Maybe it's dinner time.
It's tall.
Dinner time.
Oh, he's tall. Oh my god, we can see his face. Oh my god, that's a...
Super cute. Mildly ferocious.
Oh!
Probably flying right into the sand. Where they live in a very hot, dry place.
Oh, there's another good shot right there.
Well, that was our trip to the Palm Beach Zoo. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you like seeing the tiger?
Yes.
That was a lot of fun. Definitely check it out if you're in the area. Anyway, we're gonna head on home, upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe and have a most rocking day.
Bye.